got root so?
Oh, look good, what happened?
You don't see all your backside the door, out the door.
Babe, out the door, act. Cut it out, babe. What's the fuck?
Me not talking, me don't talk now. Is it a me go or you not go nowhere? Or me alone?
But me not look good, look here.
Of course you look good. Me not.
You not gonna fight it today? Excuse me, I'm away.
I got more.
Babe! Babe, so come.
Let's have it. Yo!
It is obvious, you're diamond up with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Rash and NIQUE. And from your NIQUE alone, you know what I go on. You don't know what to say. I'm gonna prank your boy Rash. Yes, I am. I'm gonna prank him. Him out there asleep in the couch. I'm saying, you know what, I'm gonna put a little prank on him. Because from what him going too bad. I say, no man, he might get away with too much. So I'm gonna prank him today. And boy, I got them feelings today. So one of the people may get a call. Sorry about that, people. Sorry about that. But yes, your girl NIQUE is here. And I'm gonna prank your boy Rash today. So people, I'm going too bad from what here, and I come talk about, oh, I'm gonna prank me and I'm gonna this on Ray. Alright, cool. Today, I'm gonna prank him. I'm gonna make him know say me, I got a store, go get some things for cook. Come on, cook for my baby. But guess what? When I want to see when I go to the store, you know? Cause girl have nice outside hot enough people are Florida with you know. So you know outside hot and sunny with a sunshine state. And maybe I tell you say out the door hot. So me no want a bag of clothes. Me no want a bag and plus me sexy too. Me no want a bag of clothes for me I got in a store. So broad daylight me I got a store in a this. And me gonna show the people where me I got at the store in a. You know Rash not gonna approve of that. No, my man don't tell me what to wear, or none of that. But if I say, babes, really that's a bit much for God the store in that. Take off that man and put on something regular and go and go do what you do. But we're gonna get a reaction out of him and see what his reaction is. But before I do that, I'm gonna show you say I'm asleep out this in the couch. I'm show you someone in my sleep. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call him on the phone and say, babes, come here, I want some money for God to store and whatever. Him not like when people wake him out of him sleep. So him I got already cross. So I wake him up for that. Cause I know which part the money there. And I said, busy know which part the money there and whatever. Like I said, I never remember man or whatever. Whatever. But I can play it off. But I'm showing the people real quick where your girl have on. So people, this is what I have on. This is the back. Yes, I'm gonna show the whole Florida in Bam Bam. Yes, so this my have on. I cover up my neck on with them because I don't want YouTube flag with him. But yes, the dress here, people. I'm gonna get a good look. I'm going to the supermarket in my sexy dress. So let me see if we can go wake him up now for come and then we will get into the prank. Alright, wanna stay tuned. How your girl NIQUE I come right out on him today. Yeah, I want some boy I come talk about him I can prank me. Prank I get pranked today. Move up. So yeah, we'll stay tuned. I show this in my sleep. I go check. I go around like a peep to see if him still asleep and then I come back. Come show him. Alright, stay tuned. Love you now. Alright, wanna come? We're going to see if I'm asleep. Come here, show me I'm asleep. Come. Let's go. Here you go. Take time, people. See him there? I'm asleep. See him there? I don't want to go too close. I'm going to go wake. sleep lighting up people. See him there? And I coach knock out. And I'm going to vex to come and wake him up, but I'm sleeping on like when nobody wake him. Come back, quick. Hurry up and go back around this. While I'm there, come. Sexy girl. Hey, sexy girl, I go road. Baby, sorry if we wake up. We can't come here. Alright. Yep. Alright. Ready now. Just need to what's sharp for with baby? You can give me some money when you forgot the store. Come on, I want to buy something so we can cook. Cook for me and you. Some money. I need to get. I'm trying to first. You know, I'm trying to. I'm going to get my wallet. I'm trying to come out of this. The bed. Damn. Alright, so what I want me to forget?
I don't know where you want.
What you feel like? What you want me to cook today? What you feel?
Fish.
Fish I want.
Food. Banana.
Banana, them something there.
Burro banana. Spell flour if you can get it.
Alright. Anything else you want from the store? You sure? Okay.
You know, show one of them and I can wait, man.
Yes, me going there, I don't see it. You come and let me know. It look like it itch up somewhere, because I'm going there, I don't see it. I never see no money.
I mean, nice, good. See it, man. That dream, I dream, man.
Dream? What you dream, say? That dream about me?
I don't remember. You know, make me up.
I mean, I dream about where? I mean, I dream about where?
You say me no remember, man. So
you go and support me, and I go and miserable.
yeah, it's happy nice, man. Yes, me just wake up, man.
Alright. That's time I go about my business and come out of that house. Because you're full of too much attitude when you wake. Just go about my business. And get the thing them together. And I'm out the door.
Where you go?
When you get the key. When you forget
Yo,
the key.
where you go?
Bears, me just tell you a while ago. Me tell you something I got the store, go get something
Which
for
store?
Publix.
Go do what? Go Publix, go do what?
Bears, me just tell you a while ago, me I got Publix.
You don't do that.
We are doing, me I got Publix to get the...
Go do what?
Go.
Me go Publix.
You say you want to get... You want to get fish?
No, me go Publix. Me go Publix.
No, you say...
Me go there. Me go to.
No, me want to come to the house. Me want breeze on.
Let me here go.
No, me don't want you to come.
Put on my clothes.
Me don't want you to go.
So be there where you got roots up.
Oh, me look good, what happened? I saw my dress, what happened, baby?
You're not going to the fucker, man.
What?
Which Publix you go?
The Publix up the road.
Where sell food and anything there?
Yes, I may have to go, probably make another stop. Me have to go. Me I go for
No, sir, me I go there.
Me I go for abroad. No, me I check the fish, man.
No, sir.
Can you say you want the fish, so I go check in the street.
No, me I go there. Me no business where you are.
No, you don't have to come.
You look good and everything, but me I go there.
Where you go? Me no want you going away.
No, sir.
Me just want to go by myself.
No. So?
Oh, what?
Babes, you see all your backside there door. Out the door.
Babes, out the door hot. Cut it out, babes. You see how outside hot? A Florida with there now?
Alright then.
Babes, all of the girls them are doing.
You're not them girl. You're not.
Me say one if a girl and wear them something about a road. The babes the type at you now where you want to put on sweatpants and t-shirt.
Matter of fact, me can't go so.
You're babes.
Me can't. No,
babes.
me can't go so.
Babes.
Nobody the foolishness,
You're not
man.
go. Look at me, I'll drop my key, bro. Babes, we just run down the store and come.
No. You deaf?
What's the wrong with that?
You think I dance all you go?
Babe. Babes, cut it out, cause for me, go wait for you for get dressed now.
No.
And I will something that take too long.
No, me good.
Look for the time. If I go pick up the boy from school.
Yeah, I go skimp me. I go skimp it too. Come.
Yes, I have to go pick up your rent from school.
No, no, stop. You can't go down at people in school like that.
Me not come out of the car. Me only come out of the car for going to the meat place.
No, sir.
For get the fish.
Alright. Me here we go. I'm gonna go get the meat and you not come out of the car. You're resting in the car.
But babes, you need to get back your rest.
No, me good.
You have to get back your rest.
No.
Never even did me for wake you up, but you have to get back your rest.
No, me I drink some water.
Babes. We just have to walk. We just have to go run down the store.
No, fuck. Yo.
We just have to run down the store and come back. What's the problem, babes? You can't barely see anything. Look there.
Babe, you don't see all your ass out the door.
Where? Me need to see him. Come in and see that. Which part? Which part that there? Babes.
You can never come out and
Babes, people wear this up here got beach every day. What's the big deal?
A RASH public. Where you say I'm going again there, bitch? The store there, bitch?
If we got one near the beach, that better?
No. Skimp thing here.
Yes.
Me I go skimp it.
Yes, anyways, I'm not gonna argue with the reader right now. Since when you business about me I wear, you always say, me's a man, me not tell my woman what to wear.
Yeah. You ever dress up so go say I got store? Or you pick up your boy from school?
You go outside for morning?
Yeah. Me go out before you.
You don't feel out the hat.
Rain and fall, man. No, they're not hot.
No rain, not fall. Look there, be a sunshine out the door.
Oh, they're not hot, so.
Babes.
Oh, they're not hot, so.
Babes, outside hot. Me don't want a bag of clothes for me. And
no.
plus, me have on the ear for me and something. It's hot, man. What you do?
What you mean what me do?
What you do?
What you mean what me do?
Babes, me soon come back. Cause you waste time and we have to pick up the boy from school and them something there.
Me I come with you, myself.
No, me not. Me soon come.
Listen, yo! Where you go? Go back in your room. Go back in your room.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Go back in your room.
Babes! Don't push me!
Go back. Me I got a road you.
No!
Come, sir.
No!
Me I dress so.
Babes!
I saw me I go. You want me go, sir?
Babes, me not gonna run go get the thing.
You want me go, sir?
I'm gonna run to
you. Want me go, sir? Like so?
No, me not want you go, so come. Me not want you come.
No, one next time. Me I go. So later, so.
Me not want you come. Me not want you come.
The whole your after show. Me I show my one though.
Me not want you come. So when me there beach, I have my bathing suit and them something there, I'm gonna ask a show, you know, have a problem. When me got dance, I'm gonna have them something, you know, have a problem. So all of a sudden,
I'm here today.
You don't trust me?
Me trust you.
Okay, then so
them me not trust. Them. They will take you away. Me you come in. We have guys to.
Nobody don't want me. Only you alone want me. Nobody don't want me. Because me I just run God. I just run God store.
Hold on, man.
Yes.
Hold on.
Oh my God, yo! One piece of it. I'm gonna wake him for that. Look, oh God.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna wake him for me.
Ask you to, you know. Where you wait me for you know spend the money there. Come, we have got.
Yes. We have one so far.
Me not talking. Me don't talk now. Is it a me go or you not go nowhere? Or me alone?
But me not look good. Look here.
Of course you look good.
Look here. Me not look good.
Yes, you look good, but now you look. For that store you go buy fish and sitting. I fish man you look.
Babes, me not want nobody but you, babes. So when you come talk to me, I look fish.
Alright, you change that.
For what, babes? I already put on the makeup for match my dress. Make her just go and come back.
Let me go. You can't go to summer. You can't go and naked for me here, go.
So, Bears,
no.
No, that's why
No.
you know you don't trust me. You don't trust
you. And them me not trust, but me out there with you, them can't trouble you.
Nobody can't trouble me, a bad girl. Nobody can't trouble me. Nobody can't trouble me. You don't know that too? You don't know that?
A couple man me have to slap. Fear.
You know, see, you're very insecure, You're very insecure. Cause, look here, I want this little dress. Look here, the pattern cover every little thing. Not sure.
A backward style you are dealing right now in a sonnet, man. Backward style you are
What name, sir?
Me know. You don't know backward, no?
Well, you have to tell me. What name, sir?
One place I put more than sell. I say girl them just around there, you know.
Babes.
And then a man around there. A man they look down.
Prostitute no wear them something, yeah. Them good clothes, yeah.
Me girl in the backward all the while, and let me tell you.
Babes, me not want. Me not in an argue.
No.
Can you just chill?
You know, if you go to out there also, I don't know tonight or today. If you go out, done.
So you got dash for 13 years. I love.
Me don't know that.
Ups and downs and everything. You got dash with that.
You hear me say?
That one dress.
You, where go buy fish.
You got dash what we love for dress.
Remember, me said to you, say, this, you, me know you for 13 years, but me never see a dress or go road. So you got a store. Yeah, you got dance.
Yes, me never dress like this at Houston because me never have no vibes. Don't I say you have
That
vibes?
was blood clean vibes, don't you say then, man? Can you go back to Houston? Too much vibes, don't you say?
Me don't want to go back to Houston. I love Florida. The vibes, don't I say? I saw people dress down here. I saw them dress down here. You never see?
Me never see no girl on the road like this. You know, every day me get all about, I mean, I see nobody dress up.
Excuse, come in.
You can't go to the door, sir. You can't go there, sir. Me ready? You're
Trust me, you never used to behave like this, and all of a sudden now it's a problem because I want me looking summer dress. This is a summer
Me
dress.
never used to dress up. Me never used to behave so. You dress up, me behave so now. Simple.
So you have to come.
Me don't have to come, but you don't have to go neither. Or no go so.
Well, you're not going to get no fish. You're not going to get the
Me good,
nice
man.
steamed
Me good.
fish. No, I never steam fish. Me never make and brown stew fish. Me never cook.
But my friend always
Me never make brown stew fish, for you, baby.
Yeah, Granny always say, drink some water and go to bed, angel will feed you. That me I deal with it in the night.
Yeah, just cut out the foolishness now, for real. We need to go. Look there, because we never have enough time for God to place and pick up your L. Me tell you something about public around the fish man. We don't understand.
No, you know what I say. What time now? Wait till you pick up your L and then you go where you go.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. If me can't go, my son can go.
And when we do that, we still going to that dress here.
Yeah, no problem, but you're already there with you.
Him not come with me, I drop him home and then go.
No! Yeah, idiot!
Me don't want to back pick behind me, bro. Me don't want to space. Me want to drive out and listen to music and vibes out. What wrong with the little dresses? Summertime now. Look here. Excuse me. Come let me see what go on with that dress here. Come me not see nothing wrong with this.
Look here. Where?
What? Because I can't see right here, sir. You don't see the one of the brown.
Maybe you can't.
It match my skin.
Never
It brown like my skin. There's my so-called. Come here.
Oh, where? Go back here.
Yes, come on. Yo, oh my God, yo.
You're not good.
Whoa, you don't see I must stop it? Them something that insecure thing. I don't like that.
Turn around.
We just turn on already.
Let me show you where you're at, but nothing I show, nothing I
The
show.
one of this a cover in a brown. You look like my skin.
Are you skin this? Now you skin this. Now you this. You're not going to door set, so.
I don't see nothing wrong with this dress. You're overreacting.
It's nice and everything, but you're not go. You're
overreacting.
Let me show you.
You are overreacting.
Look on the wall of your titty there. Watch out. Go here.
You a look, nobody now look for me there, sir. Are you a look for me, sir?
Look here.
Because me a woman.
Look. Where? See that?
So what can I touch me for? Yo, yes, me just have to run guys.
Me not busy with you want to say.
Me I'm one big man and I can't wear what I want to wear. What if stop me?
Me.
What if stop me today?
Me.
What if stop me today? Me I just say, what? Alright. You can excuse me please?
Don't chat no.
Babes,
Go to the window. That if you do.
Babes, excuse please.
Let me drive. You can't do all the way you want to do on the side carry them. We drive. Come.
So what you feel like say you're going to do if you come?
You can go.
But what difference is that going to make if you come?
Amen.
What difference is that going to make?
You're not going to with someone. Remember me tell you that. You want to go to wear this. This is how you buy fish.
I'm not wearing that. I'm not wearing that. I'm not wearing that. That's hot. I'm not wearing that. Where the hell am I going in a row? That's worse. People are going to say, oh, she think she have a bed.
Oh, me put on my clothes too. Already.
You're not going. You know that here.
All the socks here.
Me don't want you going away with me because when I want to drive and play my music loud, you have a problem. Me don't want you to go. I want to just go by myself. When I play my music and I'm somebody, be turn the music out, we can't hear. I don't want all of that. But just want to do what I do, I'll come right back. You don't need fear to come. Nobody don't want me. Nobody, you can't even see, look at, you can't see nothing. A print you see.
That's true. I really thought nobody don't want you. I will get that woman now, because I don't want you.
Don't play with me.
I don't want you.
Don't play with me.
What?
You have to want me.
I don't want you.
You have to want me.
You don't think you look good?
Don't play.
You don't think you look good? Go on by your business. By your business. You see you look? No man really want you for true. One.
But I look good.
No.
Alright.
Nobody don't want. Where you go? Where you go?
I'm not laughing. I'm not. Look at your look at your stuff off on my shoes, yo. What the hell?
Why you injured? That's enough. Come out of your house. Yeah.
You know, see a bad mind, yo.
Me know.
Bad mind.
Me know.
Bad mind. True, me look good.
Me know.
True, me look good. And you come tell lie about how me not look good.
You rub off.
So where you there with me for 30
You
years?
rub off. You rub
Where
off.
there with me for 30
You
years?
rub off for me.
Where you there with me for? Me not look good.
Your bad mind rub off for me.
Excuse me.
Where you look for me front for?
Me not look on no front. Leave me alone. Excuse me. Excuse
Stay
me.
inside with me.
No, me don't want to stay with you.
Stay
You already pissed me off. Me don't want to stay nowhere with you. Come on, wear.
Yeah.
I come go on like
I
that.
smell good piece of you.
No, you're not getting none of that. You don't back up off of me. You don't just tell me not look good.
You don't look good for sure.
So where you want piece of skin for?
Yeah. That's me not see you.
Don't play with me.
Ha!
Don't
Yeah,
play with
man.
me.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
play with me.
Yeah. Come
Don't
fight
play
now. I someone
Don't
fight
play
you
with
too.
me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't play with
Let
me.
me bite off your finger, man.
Don't play with bite it now. Bite it now.
Put on my mouth.
Bite it now. You think me I eat
Yeah,
that?
nah, come out yourself.
Yes I am. Excuse me.
You really with me fucker, man. You weird, sure. But you can never go and buy your business so then. I may never see you. Cause from me see you, you nah, come out yourself. I may don't talk.
So you are what?
Your man.
You think so you're my daddy? You're my zaddy, but you're not my daddy.
He left me in charge.
Excuse me. I'm not playing.
Me nah.
You're not gonna fight it today? Excuse me, I'm away.
I got more. Maybe both of them that I can't go nowhere.
You not do that. 13 years of down there, you never licked me yet. Excuse me.
You're not going
Excuse me. Excuse me. You can't excuse me, please? We need to leave. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus, please. Never in a minute you think someone have to deal with this. Oh my god. I want me get myself in now. One little dress the man I want to over. One little dress. One little summer dress. I have to go.
You're not going
I have to go.
You're not going to.
Oh my god. Bears, but I have to go.
Yeah, me not busy the way you want to.
I gotta go home.
Yo, chill, man.
I have to go. Bears, I'm leaving, yo. Damn.
Yo, you can't. You go without this.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Alright.
Take your hand off.
You want to go without this?
Take your hand off of me.
You want to go without this?
Take your hand off of me. Take your hand off of me here. Take your hand off of me. Excuse me.
Alright. What I'm saying, you can't go in and adjust now. But give me left ear with me.
Me no want. No, I want my ear. Me just do my ear. What you mean left the ear with you? What you want ear for though? Man, we're here.
Be serious.
Man, we're here.
No, man.
Yes, we're not in the argument, man. We have to go. We don't want to argue right now. We don't want to argue about the dress. We don't want to argue about nothing. We just have to go get the fish or something. You should have to see a woman go buy fish, come cook for you in a nice, sexy dress. You come go on like saying, you know,
go make a blood clot dress. Yeah, tell boy go buy fish.
But I even cook the fish in a field.
So that have to do the cooking.
Excuse. Babe,
you're tear off it. Better me tear off this.
Don't tear me.
If you get up again and say I got me a serious to me.
Oh, babe, wait.
What? Wait for what?
You're going to dress now?
No, me not.
Let me tell you something.
Tell me that me ears.
Wait.
Tell me. See that? Ears will
Don't pop off my dress. Don't pop off my dress.
Me not.
Babe, let me dress now. Let go my dress. Let me tell you something.
Tell me. Tell me.
Yes, but doesn't go right. I'm coming right.
Tell me.
Come right back.
Tell me.
We are going so far.
Go on now.
What do you do? Beer. Okay. I Baby. Baby, why you mad?
You ram too much, man.
Why you mad, honey?
Because me they asleep.
Because you hot girl got road.
No.
That's why you're mad, baby. You're mad because hot girl got already afraid somebody take me away. No.
Nobody know why you.
What friends though? Enough man out the road want me. You're bright.
Madman them there.
Madman, yeah, cause you mad. You're the maddest of them all. Cause 13 years now you're there,
know yourself, man.
So you're the mad one.
You see? Know yourself, man. You watch me, man.
What? Watch me what?
Know yourself. You
Look how nice. Look how nice. Look how nice. Of course. Of course. Now you used to prank this and prank that. And prank this and that. So you get prank. I know you're in your feelings.
You can't wait me up. Me tell you. From I get up, I tell you, you know, say from 2 o'clock me up and can't go back asleep.
Oh yeah.
And me I try to hold back asleep and that. But no real.
Too bad.
No real.
Still get
pranked.
People be pranking me. I go outside in a sexy dress.
Rash Nation.
No, move for yourself about your Rash Nation. Team Nick every day out there. Don't come on the camera right now. Move for yourself.
Rash Nation.
Team
you don't know
Nick.
the thing said.
Team Nick.
Foolish. Eat that prank.
Eat that prank. Alright. Eat that prank, but you was mad though.
You know me not sleep.
Eat that prank.
Last night.
But you was mad though. I want to rip off my clothes.
I'm mad because...
No, not bother with that. You didn't want to rip off my clothes.
Yeah, for take some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And just for that, you're not getting none. That me I tell you.
Rash Nation, you don't know the thing.
No, Rash Nation my backside. Team Nick all day, every
Rash Nation.
Say,
give him some for that.
No.
In the comment section. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, that hurts it up. Look there. Stop that. That hurt.
For me, it's alone.
What you? The way on. The way on nobody don't want me.
Let me tell nobody don't want you. Me alone, right? Come here, eat that.
God, I know.
Rash Nation. You don't know the thing
You
said.
guys.
Don't want to wait me up for foolishness, man.
Sleep still up on your fears, or
I'm not go sleep right now again. You know? I don't want to drop out. I can't sleep tonight.
It's okay, baby. I'll get fish. Okay?
Fear fish.
I love you. Don't play with me. I'm not a fish over here, so.
Fear fish.
Don't play with me. I don't tell you.
Fear fish.
Don't play with me. Anyways, people. Oh no. Drop down in the comment section Team Nick all day, every day. Cause you don't know Team Nick can run the thing. You don't know. But him come about him Rash Nation. Rash Nation what? Boy can't even manage to send me about a road look so. You know see that people? You not trust me. You not trust me.
You trust them man, them me not trust me tell you already.
He have to trust me. He can't bright himself.
I don't trust them.
Yeah. Anyways, people, on the comment down below, Team Nick. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, tell a friend, tell a family member, tell anybody who want to tell. But Rash and Nick, on the don't know, say, me get him, I'm prank the boy. So, yeah. Next video, we're out. You have to come back. Come back strong now. Because you know say you name Pranky. Come back. Because I'm ready for you. One more prank today. Yeah, right there so. Anyways people, love